everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that often makes people anxious, root canal treatment. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you, so you can understand the process better if you ever need one. On this episode of Know Your Treatment. So, what is a root canal treatment? A root canal treatment is a dental procedure designed to save a tooth that is badly decayed or infected. When the inner portion of the tooth, that is the pulp, becomes inflamed or infected, it can cause severe pain and may even lead to tooth loss. A root canal treatment involves removal of this infected pulp tissue and cleaning the tooth on the inside, following which it is sealed with a filling material, thereby preventing future problems arising from the tooth. How do you know if you might need a root canal? Here are some common signs. 1. Severe toothache. 2. Prolonged sensitivity to hot or cold. 3. Discoloration of the tooth. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see your dentist. The root canal procedure. Now, let's walk through the root canal procedure. Here's what you can expect. 1. Diagnosis and X-rays. Your dentist will take X-rays to see the extent of the infection. 2. Numbing the area. Local anesthesia is administered to ensure you're comfortable throughout the procedure. 3. Accessing the tooth. The dentist will create a small opening in the crown of the tooth to access the pulp chamber. 4. Removing the pulp. Using specialized tools, the infected pulp is carefully removed, which is followed by a cleaning and shaping procedure that cleans and shapes the inside of the tooth in order to prepare it for the filling. 5. Sealing the tooth. The dentist fills the empty space with an inert filling material and seals the opening. 6. Restoration. In most cases, a crown will be placed over the tooth to restore its function and appearance. Now that we've understood the process of a root canal treatment, let's look into the aftercare and recovery. 1. After your root canal, it's normal to experience some tenderness, but over-the-counter pain relief should help. 2. Avoid chewing on the treated tooth until it's fully restored. 3. Maintain good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing regularly. Now that we've understood what a root canal treatment entails, let's clear up some common myths about root canals. Myth 1. They are extremely painful. Fact. Most patients report feeling relief from pain after the procedure. Myth 2. Root canals are only for old people. Fact. Anyone can need a root canal, regardless of age. Myth 3. If the tooth hurts, it should be extracted. Fact. Saving the tooth with a root canal is often a better option. So, we hope this video helped demystify root canal treatment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more dental health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your smile is worth it. Until next time.